Hi everyone, this is Gail from A Long Day's Journal, and I have been inking and crafting and junk journaling into the night. And as a result, I have a pile of embellishments and inclusions made from a variety of ephemera, book pages, file folders, etc., which I have upcycled. And actually, I found a great new term someplace online for this, and somebody called it green crafting. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I'm green crafting. Um, and anyway, with all these materials, I thought what I would do this time around is once again fall just short of doing a live video and do another slideshow with lots of tags at the end giving credit where credit is due to those who have come before and inspired me and perhaps originated the projects that you're going to see on the slideshow. But what I'd like to do is have you all decide which project you'd like me to demo on a video. And coming soon, I have in fact decided that what I'd really like to do is use this whole collection of recycled materials and embellishments and book page inclusions and put them in a brand new journal, which I would like to be a hardcover without a binding, and it will hopefully feature, as I said, all the materials that I've shown, and I'll use it throughout the year to include more of these projects instead of the projects piling up in my closet. So what this is just in need of is just the perfect book, and I've been scouring the thrift shops and the online vintage bookstores for the right volume to use, and as soon as I come across that, I'll kind of include a photo of that book and then include you in my journey as I proceed to make that journal. So